Hello and welcome to another episode of Paradigm Shift. My name is Austin Clark, and I'm sure you've read countless blogs, tweets, and Facebook statuses about the modern idea of being offended. Cool. Now it's my turn. Stick around, it's time to shift your paradigm. So what really is being offended, and why is it that when someone gets offended or a group is offended, all hell breaks loose and someone's bound to get fired? Well, Merriam-Webster defines offensive as causing someone to feel hurt, angry, or upset, rude, and insulting. Dictionary.com says causing resentful displeasure, highly irritating, angering, or annoying. Pardon me, but many of my day-to-day life events could be categorized as offensive. Me spilling coffee on my pants while running to class, getting the finger from some driver in the morning, or my professor insinuating that conservatives are ignorant. My response to all of these is just poop. Life goes on. What's next? Very rarely is my what's next to point my anger and rage into some laser and burn the perpetrator of my offense. First of all, because I don't have a lot of pent-up anger. But secondly, because I can't control what's happening outside of me and my own situation very easily. So instead, next time I make sure my coffee isn't in a jacked up mug, I smile an energetic smile to those angry people passing me on the roadway, and privately, outside of class, I tell my fellow students that conservatism and conservatives are not ignorant. Being offended is okay, it happens, and it challenges us to change our situation and to sometimes even change the way we think. Get over it. And if that offended you, poop! Life goes on. What's next? Thanks again for watching another episode of Paradigm Shift. If you liked what you saw, like and share over all the social medias. If you didn't like what you saw, share it and then tell other people why you didn't like it. Also comment because we value your opinion very highly. Tune in next time for more Paradigm Shifting. All right, Future Roman, that ought to be enough to choose from. Holy Hannah.